Welcome to Jordan's Reviews and More. Today, I'm going to do another unboxing. You're thinking, wow, how did you get to do another unboxing? I haven't uploaded the first one, which is a Gabby's Dollhouse one. I've got a burping zombie toy. It's called Burp Zombies. So let's get this guy out of the box. He does some impressive burps, so let's get this guy out of the box. I'm going to a birthday party today. I'm thinking, whose party are you going to? Well, I'm going to the kids' party. I'm thinking, oh no. No, not in that way. I'm going as Sporticus. He does? Yes, he does have a switch. So, what does he come with for instructions? Okay, he comes with that and that. Oh, cool, there's a, yeah. Right, let's look at these instructions. Right. Oh, we can get more, okay. Burp Zombies. Interactive burping friends. They burp and they make noises. Shake them to activate. Okay. Interesting information. You also get battery. Let's take the little one. Right, damn it. My least favourite. And you also get a list. Which ones you can get. There you go. Pause, you want to read. And here he is in his... He's holding like an axe or something like that. Yeah, I think they are round batteries. And yeah, I can tell. Let's turn him on. That's the impression. Okay, let's turn him off. Let's have a look at him up close. He looks pretty good. Speaker's there. He's holding bullets, like burp bullets, I'm not sure. I don't know about these toys. And he takes round batteries. And the switch is on the back of the head. I'm just doing a video, okay?
It's a pair of joggers to try on, Jordan.
Okay. Who's this made by?
I'm not sure. programmed up. It doesn't actually say who it's made by, George. Okay, there's another bit I've got on the bed. Cheers, babes.
Yep. That was just my mum coming to say that I've got a pair of joggers I have to try on. And I'm not going to film that. Yeah, burp zombies. Let's see what these feel. Oh, these feel very sporty, like Sporticus. Let's give this a try. Over my pajama trousers. I'm not showing you my pee-pee because that's just rude. Do that. Alright, let's pull it on. Pull them up. They're a bit tight, but they fit. And the zippers. Yes, they work. Thank God they work completely. There we go. I always, like, honestly, I always do this. I take my trousers off and put them on the rubber. Yeah. I always take my trousers off upside down or inside out. So those fit. Completely fit. Just have to undo that. And yeah, burp zombie toys. Get yours today. I don't know who they're made by, but they're really interesting. I will show you again. He's got a face. It's all like decaying and the flesh is coming off. He's holding like a burp in his hand. I think burps and farts are gas. So, are these bullets of some sort? I don't know. So, hear the sounds again. Oh yeah, crazy robot lady, this video is for you because you like interactive toys. So do I. He farts, go. D-Rex. Oh yeah, D-Rex is a toy dinosaur that crazy robot he's got. So there's that one. And also, I've got to show the Gabby's Dollhouse figure, didn't I? Right. Here's the Gabby's Dollhouse figure. I think it's Mercat. There we go. And the treasure chest can open like this. Inside treasure. There we go. That was the Gabby's Dollhouse figure. And the head can also move. So that was my second unboxing. Oh, pardon me. I'm not sure what else I'm going to unbox yet. Definitely the 8-suit. Definitely the 8-suit. That's been in my list for ages. So you'll still see that, guys, and much, much more.